Having a growth mindset is the foundation of continuous improvement. 3 areas of development are as follows. First, establish a good knowledge of the industry that you are interested in. In this particular case, banking and finance. This means having a strong foundation in terms of understanding the industry, keeping up to date with whatever is happening, and identifying new trends that might impact the industry. The second area, as I mentioned earlier, we are problem solvers. Developing conceptualization skills, analytical skills are the key to ensure that you can apply whatever new knowledge into real use cases that can benefit both the consumers and businesses. The last part, I would term them as power skills. These include things like having the leadership, clear communication skills, be able to collaborate and work effectively in teams.